How to redeem expired Groupon. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If your Groupon code has expired, then in this video, I will guide you how you can redeem it. For local deals, customers can return any unredeemed Groupon for a refund for the amount paid within the first 3 days after purchase. After that, all sales are final unless stated otherwise in the fine print. Groupons may always be redeemed for at least the amount the customer paid for, even after the promotional value has expired. For Groupon getaways, if the customer is unable to book the stay that he or she wants during the available dates and before the book by date, Groupon will refund the unredeemed getaway vouchers. After the book by dates passes, all sales are final. Even though the promotional value has expired, the customer may use the paid value as a credit with the merchant. For hotel reservations booked directly through Groupon Getaways, the specific cancellation and refund policies for the hotel will be listed in the deal's fine print. For Groupon goods, unless the fine print says otherwise, the customer can return almost any item purchased through Groupon goods within 30 days of delivery. This includes the items that arrived damaged, defective, or having missing parts. If you face any difficulty redeeming the expired Groupon, you can contact the customer support of Groupon. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.